Hi, we're here at Sunstoppers in Matthews, North Carolina today. We're with Marco, the lead XPEL trainer at corporate headquarters. Marco's gonna do a video, I'm gonna do a video, and we're just gonna basically introduce the process of heat shrinking today.
Okay, let's cut this baby, because this is a big window. Flip it over, and just unroll it naturally this way. I'm gonna leave excess film on the top because this is a difficult back window. So I'm gonna show you a different technique, pull shrinking, okay? It's a big piece, right there, okay?
So what I'll do is I'll create the fingers, really get an idea of where the tension is. I'm gonna take a heat gun and I'm gonna take some heat to it and show you how to seal this and get the tension out. So if you have a really wide one, a really curved back window, you might want to use both techniques. See, I'm circling it back up. I threw a little heat up in there, softened it, and I will wet the film. After I'm done, you can float it, circle it, and use all types of different techniques.
With my thumb and index, look, I'm pulling. I'm pulling, and then I'm just gonna feed all this way. And remember, the closer you get with the heat gun, the quicker you gotta move it. And these defroster lines are extremely thick, so you cannot overshrink this window. Use this part of your hand, this bone. And I can get really close because the film's literally hugging the glass. If you start doing this before this, you're gonna crease the film. So pull shrinking, it's another method to look at the tension right here. Look, it's flowing. See? Look, if I'm doing that, is that flowing or is it tight?
Tight.
It's too tight. Okay. Now you gotta be careful with pull shrinking, because look, the heat has no escape route right here. Lay down. The other side. Whoever wants to do it. Execute. Good job. See, he's reading the film. He's not placing heat on areas that he already heated. Excellent. So that happened because you just did this before this. That's it. This is how we learn. Okay, skills. Good. Good recovery. Easy fix. Good. Heat. Good.
It's like Marco said earlier, the prime example. Heat first, then you see what the film is doing, and then if it's not flat enough, then you can put pressure on it, but you heat first. It's nice to see and learn from mistakes. It's really awesome.